Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday and it's also a Deja Vue. Last night was a big change in plans because we had a death in the kitchen. Our cold box had a slow death. In lieu of flowers, I'm accepting donations to help offset the cost of a new cold box, hopefully bigger and better. But I did swap out the old cold box with a spare cold box we had in the garage. So we're not cold box-less. Yeah, what a day. So I talked to Robin via text, and she brought home Papa Murphy's. Oh, it hit the spot. It really did after the long day I had and Robin's long day at work. Papa Murphy's was the right call. So today, the Culinary Expedition is going to be in Mexico, where I'll be preparing Tinga de Pollo and a Mexican Spanish rice. Again, deja vu. We're doing tacos. We're doing street style tacos with the tinga. So looking forward to it. Hopefully today is a much better day than yesterday. I really worked my you-know-what off. And as you can see, I got beautified, sheared, whatever you want to say. I have found a new barber. Yes, I'm very happy. The attention to detail, yeah, beautiful. You think this is easy. This is not an easy cut. Really not. So, weather's supposed to be beautiful. Little clouds going on right now, but that's okay. It's going to warm up a little bit. Got the sweatshirt on, new sweatshirt from Robin's Union. So, but it's going to be nice later on this afternoon. Super, yeah. Spring is basically here in Northern California, in Sutter County, California. The trees are blooming. Yeah. Now, if I can just get control of my migraines, we'll be happy campers. So, on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.